Hello everybody and welcome back. I've got another how-to tutorial video for you today. So what we are going to look at is these. We're going to look at the smaller of the linen Santa sacks. Now obviously the big ones are a really popular product for us, but the beauty of these little ones is you can get away with doing them with an A4 press and a printer. You can do an A4 press and a printer. So first thing we need to do is we need to get the artwork sized up. So we're going to jump onto my Photoshop and I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so here we are in Photoshop. I've got the new document window open. I've already got the artwork off Victoria, but I'm going to create a document so make sure it's the right size. So what I'm going to go for here is I'm going to go for 250mm wide by 300 high. That'll give us a nice size on the bag, but it will also let us tighten it up without losing the design into sort of the folds at the top. So as always, I've got my resolution set to 300 pixels per inch. And I've got my colour mode set to RGB. That's all we really need to worry about in this panel, and click create. So that's going to open me up the document of the size that I want, and I'm just going to drag in the artwork. There we go. I'm going to drag in the artwork from Victoria, drop it in. Now luckily she's already sized this one, so there we go, it fits in bang on where I want it. From here we can print straight away, so I just want to go to Control and P, or you can go to File and Print. Okay, so we've got our print done, checked it out, made sure it's mirrored, happy days, and then we want to get it onto the blank. So I'm going to flip it over and then we're going to try and make sure it's lined up. There we go. The easiest way to do that is to kind of line it up off the stitching. Just look down and make sure it's square. Then we're just going to apply some tape. I tend to put a piece in all the corners. Again, that's just going to stop it bouncing while it's under the press. Yep, so that's taped on. We'll get the press set up and we will get it pressed. Okay, so for these little Santa sacks, what we're going to do is we're going to set the temperature to 180. There we go. And we want to set the time to 65 seconds. There we go. Okay, so with the transfer taped onto your blank, we're going to pop it into the press. So I like to make sure it's in the middle of the press. But also the key thing to remember is to keep these tassels and your seams outside of the press, because these will re-sublimate as well. They are polyester, so they have been previously sublimated red, so you might get some of the dye coming off these onto your platen. So you just want to line that up like that, keep the string outside, and then we're going to close that down. Now with these, I like to use a reasonable amount of pressure, sort of a medium pressure on these. It helps keep everything tight together in the press. Before we close it, I nearly forgot there. Did anybody spot the mistake? You want to put a bit of baking paper on the top. Again, as always, just to protect your platen from any ink coming back the way. There we go. So we're going to drop that down. We're going to let that cook and we'll come back and see what we get. Alright guys, there we go. So the press has popped, as you can see. I'm just going to take the baking paper out of the way, and then I'm going to reach in and I'm going to take this print off. Now you want to kind of get this off in one go, because you don't want that bouncing back down on the bag, because that's when you start getting your ghosts and blurring. So there we go, that has come off no problem. We'll get it on the bench and let you have a closer look at it. And there we go guys, that's another blank done. That is the small linen Santa sacks. As you can see, they print really well. Cracking for gifts, really popular item for us here as well. So now you know how to do them, you can get on that. Hope you've enjoyed it, hope it's been useful for you. If you've got any questions, as always, just give us a shout and we can hopefully answer them in a video. Stick with the channel, we've got a lot coming up, and I hope you guys are okay and enjoy the rest of your evening. See you later everybody.